Means age is only.
There's Kelly,
Yeah, exactly.
looking in the rocks.
Kelly,
What are you doing there, Kelly?
but
You're not making the water warmer, are you?
don't get the caveman. There's a caveman inside. Don't go further. Da, 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 da.
Morning, lovely people who watch us. One of the best things to do in Dalyan, and all those people who come over here will agree with me, I'm pretty sure anyway, is go on a boat trip. And today's the day. We're actually going to take a boat trip. We've been recommended by our daughter, in fact, to use Turquoise boat tours. She had a fabulous time. So the guy that's running it is a little bit wacky, but great entertainment. So let's see how we get on. I'll see you down there. Everybody getting ready to go off on their various days. We are in the height of the season here, midsummer. And you can pick any of these boats. You'll have a fabulous day, I'm sure. They're all fully experienced. Fabulous. Turquoise. 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 Ah, this one here, Turquoise. Hello. Right, we're off. Tell you what, Jeff would be proud of those pictures. While you're on the river, you can't actually, there's two things you can't do. That is hang your feet over the edge or sit in front of where the driver is. But everything else is fine, isn't it, Cal? It's beautiful. Yeah, so there's just going past Captain June's statue to our left. Do you know what we do that often? We almost forget the best bit, the tombs. Quite the sight. Right, let's turn further down the river. Oh, he's going all over the place, this guy. I've seen better days, haven't it? Yeah. Those of you who remember, we drove down to Cardiac Bay. There it is in all its glory. Quite a trek. And don't forget your wallet.
Oh my God, there's a baby there.
Little baby goat, little kid.
Yeah, look, this black one is
Yeah, yeah.
I think this has just been mama.
Ah, so we're just looking at the black goat that we couldn't see last year. How beautiful's that? And look at the colour of the water. Stunning.
We had a board there at one time for the business, didn't we? And we went to Wrexham in March this year.
So we have got a fabulous little boat here. One of the best steps I've had getting in and out of the water. Super easy. You're paddle boarding, and we're in Bacardi Bay or Bacardi Beach, Bacardi Bay. Absolutely fabulous setting. We're the only ones here as well, so we're quite lucky. Water's a bit cooler here, but it's nice and refreshing because it's super hot. Yeah, so our first stop, Bacardi Bay. Just the contrast of the darker ocean and the bluer sea there is, it's just beautiful. You get all the squid in there, Mark. This is where these tight rocks here. It's amazing what they throw the bait in for and they come darting out from nowhere. Realise what it is because they're not stupid. And then straight back in. Hard to catch. And at this time of year they won't catch anything because they won't feed in this hot weather. There's Kelly, looking in the rocks.
Kelly,
What are you doing there, Kelly?
back.
You're not making the water warmer, are you?
Don't get the caveman. There's a caveman inside. Don't go further. Da, 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 da. Yes, just the mask, okay? Look at this. Someone's loving
This
it.
is stunning, this is, isn't it, really? Listen to that noise in the background.
It's doing well. It's almost ready. What have you got to cook?
Prawns and everything's gonna be like
Prawns, ooh, lovely.
Cocktails, yeah. Chips, rice, salad, proper homemade chips.
Steak.
Huh? You like because Spain you do like this, you know, sometimes people don't want like fish things like that. But because I do like seafood, like prawns, I'm gonna make it.
Oh, wow.
That sounds good.
Oh, fat.
How's fat?
Yeah.
That looks, oh, that's it. That's the right way to do it.
Yeah, look.
Cow fat, yeah.
Yeah, because it takes all the bad things away and then also stop sticking very good.
It's good, yeah.
Good tip, that is to run the fat. Do you know what I use?
Yeah.
Onion with the olive oil and just rub it straight over it. Does the same thing.
It does same thing, yeah, but
Yeah.
you find this easier than
Yeah, you find this easier.
You put it back in.
Yeah, because you've got a curve on you.
I put it in the water and the animals eat them.
Are you? Oh, really?
Yeah, look at that.
And also my barbecue is 8 years old and then still looks
Look at it, it's
Yeah.
fabulous. Yeah, and the longer the better.
Good quality, but barbecue.
No, I got quality, but also you have to do that. I don't like it when it looks really dirty. I can't eat it.
No. So, super clean.
I try my best.
You used to clean it with a cloth.
Yeah, you can still do that, but
Yeah, look at the dirt coming off that now. Brilliant. Expert.
yeah, man.
Good man.
Oh, it's honestly my favourite country. I love it.
Actually, Mexico's #1, Colombia's #2. But yeah, it's incredible. It's something I've ever been to.
Which one's that?
Colombia.
Colombia.
Yeah, well, I think we're going to have to hit it now. Ice?
Please, yeah, she'll definitely want ice. Really nice wine. Buzz, 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 buzz. Thank you very much.
Could have told us I can pick the box when he was given the green light, then he would be here now. But
You do on your phone? You can just,
So we just left our lunch spot, heading down towards Devil's Bay.
no, we've definitely done the two done, and then we went across.
Yeah, this is a bit of a stretch. You've got to have the captain on your side to get down here. But it's just that we actually turned up to fish, and there was a couple had been left there. But if you look up there, everyone, you can see the caves.
Oh, there.
I'm a real fidget.
Where is it? It's over there, isn't it?
What?
The turtle.
Turtle, yeah.
Turtle, look, right in front of it.
Oh, yeah.
His phone out, Don.
Oh, they're lovely. They're like that.
Oh, that's a big one, isn't it?
Did he?
Yeah.
It's unusual to catch him.
Crabbing with him last time.
Yeah.
That was hilarious.
Yeah. Oh, it is good fun, isn't it?
You have to throw the girls back.
Yeah, that's right. That's the right way to yeah with
and
the
then
egg.
it's a certain size.
That's right.
You have to throw
Yeah.
back as well. He's quite good.
Yeah. Wow.
I'm scared to get too near the cliffs in case they have
In case they eat you.
a little fall and the rocks start falling.
No. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Right. So look at the caves high up in the rocks here.
Oh, I know it is. I'm just getting my breath.
Will she do it?
I don't think she's going to do it.
I nearly did it then.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it is high. It's higher than thingy, Ahmed's.
Wow, that is deep.
Right. Yes.
You've overthought it, haven't you?
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about because I've done it before and I've caught.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Go on, John.
I've talked
Oh, what a shame.
myself out of it.
Never mind.
I've done it so many times.
Oh.
Now I've talked myself.
Go on, Kev.
Go on, think of Katie Travels. Will she do it? Where's your money, ladies and gentlemen?
Ah, she'll do it. It's actually good fun.
Yeah.
And I'm scared of the heights. And that's...
Donna, will you do it?
It's the bar. Can we move the bar? I can see it.
Yeah,
Donna,
yeah.
If you come and do it, please.
Oh, bless you. I've got.
It's so easy. Just jump.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah, well, yeah. Give it a rest, Sam. Have a day off, won't you, Sam? Will it help if I counted? No, it's barred solid.
Well, just jump. Don't jump on the actual metal bar, but just before it.
Maybe put your foot off it and launch yourself.
Yeah, just
Here comes the main man. Here comes the instructor.
I had to walk.
I'm actually shaking now.
Oh, well, you come down then. And, oh, that is...
I'm not going back.
Right, I'm Paul. Well done, Donna.
Come on, do it. I'm here.
The cough of encouragement.
I'm worried about slipping.
It's not slipping you want to worry about, it's drowning.
No, I can't.
Okay.
Oh, okay. You could.
It's okay if you can just go straight. That's
Yeah. And all those who are going on about getting ladders back into the boat, that's how you do it.
Don't need a ladder.
So the reel that he's just put in the back of the boat,
You need to
I
get this
got
on your
sushi.
what's he got?
Tuna.
He thinks he's got a tuna. So top action coming on here, yeah?
Nice. Get here. Oh, look.
Do I know that?
You see how clever. Yes. Damn it, man. Oh, go.
Can't wait to see this come out.
Oh, it's coming. Go, fast it goes. You do it from here. I don't access.
I don't believe this, I didn't record any of that. I've just eaten the first cut of the tuna.
No waste, look.
Yeah.
And watch it this now.
Yeah.
Tuna.
Yeah. Perfect cutting technique. Give us that piece there. Give us that piece there.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I will make it something else.
So would you eat that? Did you eat that? Yeah. Try that. It's beautiful. Best fish you can have.
I tried from him. It's yours. Has he just caught it now?
Yeah. Caught that in the back. You don't see that? You missed it all. Anyway, that is beautiful.
Nah.
He won't eat your fish from that.
You like it. You like it. You like chicken. It tastes like chicken. Come on. Tastes like chicken.
Oh, mate. That is
Oh, it's a
so
big
good.
bit. Do me a little bit.
Wow.
Maybe a little bit.
Coming.
No, a little bit.
Yeah, okay.
And then get yourself to like
I've got a
it.
little bit.
Yeah, you got this is the how nice, you see?
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
I love it.
Okay.
No? Ah, what a shame.
Yeah.
Give me 10 more of them.
I'm going to use my fingers then.
I can cut it.
Okay, what are the yellow
Ah.
mean? Oh, no.
That's not
The lemon cooks it.
Oh, it's got lemon on it.
Yeah, lemon and salt.
The lemon cooks it.
Do you know what, in all fairness,
Ceviche.
it probably needs a little bit more like the salt. Yeah, it's nice.
Salt somewhere.
Is there some salt up there?
You're too salted, maybe.
No.
Jasmine.
Well, it hasn't gone down as popular as it deserves to. Some like it, some don't.
And they're the fire pit.
But fresh tuna carpaccio on the
Legs around.
straight out of the Mediterranean.
All the time.